Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Isa. Thank you so much for being here. So today's video, I am going to be unboxing my new camera. That is going to be my new filming camera, and I was kindly gifted this. I am so grateful for the support of my family for my YouTube, and it's crazy. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new Sony a6400 and with the Sigma 16mm lens with the f1.4, which is going to make my videos so much better with the quality and everything. I'm going to leave links down below in the description box from these items from Amazon, so you can get everything on Amazon. And disclaimer, I do want to say that these links are affiliate links, so I do get a small commission if you purchase from these links. So let's go on with today's video.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues, yeah. I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah. You know I keep on running from the truth. I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you? Yeah, go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil's peeking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brain.